Hey guys, I'm Brad Prose with Chili's and Smoke. I'm out here in gorgeous Phoenix. My friend Chef Rohan, he flew out here from France. I'm so excited to meet you. I can't wait to learn the French way of barbecue.
Let's start by salt and pepper the meat.
All right,
Okay.
let's do it. So light salt and pepper on the pork belly. Okay, go ahead and throw the pepper on here and we'll flip it over.
All right.
All right. And then just to clarify, so this is pork belly, not bacon, so
No,
it's not cured.
Not cured. All right. So now I will let you oil the butcher paper.
Okay, so when we're oiling the butcher paper, you want me to saturate it pretty well?
Yeah.
Okay, I figured so because we're gonna need to have a lot of fat on here.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now we will just wrap the bacon.
Now, it's good to point out, we used a neutral oil here. So
Yes.
this one happened to be avocado,
Yes.
but you would say maybe stay away from olive oil?
If I was in France, I would have only olive oil. So don't stay away from olive oil. We like to cook, and here we will be at very low temperatures. So we'll just wrap it, and now we will smoke it in smoke mode, okay, for between 4 and 7 hours.
Okay.
I know it's very long, okay?
So
but
start early.
yeah, start early.
For anybody doing this, if we're trying to do 2 strips or 4 or 5 strips,
Yeah.
is there an ideal temperature that we need to pull it off at, or do we just kind of estimate and do anywhere between 4 and 7 hours?
Between 4 and 7 hours, I know that it's good because I already tried that a lot of time, okay? In smoke mode, so 80 Celsius degrees, you know. Bacon is cooked at 72 Celsius degrees. 4 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours is not an issue at all, okay? It will be comfy starting after 4 hours.
Okay. Which is very similar to confit when you cook it traditionally anyway.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, it is.
All right, so let's go ahead and put it in.
Yep.
I'll open it up since you got it.
And now we just have to wait.
I'm gonna go ahead and pull the pork belly off. Ooh, that's warm. Let this rest, and you've got a sauce to make.
Yeah. So the sabayon is the only one challenging things here because we need to heat some egg yolks. We need 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Here I use a Spanish vinegar. It's a Ceres. Ceres is like a cherry vinegar.
Okay, yeah, I see that, Sherry.
The better the vinegar, the better the sauce will be.
Okay, so the vinegar is super key for the sauce.
Yes, it's very important. Don't use a white vinegar or an apple cider vinegar. Just try to find a good one. 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Okay. 1 tablespoon of water.
Oh, water, okay.
Yeah, water. Just clear water.
All right.
Okay. And 2 egg yolks. So we need to separate the yolks.
Okay.
Okay. 1 and 2. Good. And now we need to whisk.
Okay.
Until we have a foam, okay? Without heating the pan.
Oh, wow.
It's the messy part of the recipe. Okay. You see,
Wow.
we have a great foam.
Yeah.
Now we will heat up the pan, okay? But we have to be careful because we don't want to cook the eggs, okay?
Okay.
So that's the dangerous thing. You have to feel it, okay? You go over the flame, okay? Let the pan heat, but not too high.
Okay.
And we will finish with the butter.
Okay.
You never stop whisking the foam.
Oh, okay. So just to confirm, this is just melted butter. It's not hot butter, right?
Yeah, here it's hot butter. It's you can use simple melted butter.
Okay.
Okay. I would just salt and pepper the foam here.
Okay.
So it's done. Okay. And now we will eat that directly over the flame. So what is great with that grill is that we can open the searing plate to get a direct access to the flame. And
Okay.
heat, open, never stop whisking. And as soon as it begins to thicken, we will add the butter, tablespoon by tablespoon. You see the bottom of the pan is almost clear, so it starts thickening. Now, you see that? Now,
Yeah.
you see?
Yeah. Almost reminds me of like a hollandaise sauce right now.
Yeah. It's quite like an hollandaise sauce. Brad, would you please add 1 or 2 tablespoons
Sure.
of butter? Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah, that's coming together now.
You see? 1 or 2 more?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's amazing how that thickens up.
Yeah. I would just salt and pepper the sauce now.
All right. Look at that.
Beautiful, isn't it? We good.
Good job. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and oil these. Do you mind if I just put salt and pepper on them too then?
Yep.
Okay. Do a nice light coat. Just get both sides real quick. Perfect. All right. These are gonna be so good. I can tell they're huge. Good job picking these out today. And man, that pork belly looks amazing.
Yeah, as you can see, it's lightly smoked. It's just cooked. We'll just salt and pepper them as well. We're ready to sear.
All right.
I just oiled the griddle
Okay.
and
Oh, listen to that sear. That's the magic right there.
I sear the fat
Yeah.
first.
And these are probably going to take a little longer to sear than the scallops
Yeah.
too, I assume. Okay.
Scallops is around 30 seconds per face.
Okay.
Okay, so we just flip them once.
Okay. I'm not waiting. I'm going to try it now. Oh my gosh. That's so good. It's amazing how much flavor the vinegar has in here.
Yeah.
This is just, that's a real testament to just making sure that you have really high quality.
So let's sear the scallops.
Here, I'll hold this for you.
30 seconds to 1 minute per side. We will flip them only once.
Okay.
Okay?
You can smell the scallops searing right on that pork fat.
A good trick with fish is to get a very, very, very hot griddle. And the meat will not, even the skin of the fish will not stick.
Oh, okay.
If the griddle is very, very hot.
All right, so sauce on the bottom. Look at that. That's magic right there.
bacon.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And this is my plate, right?
Rosemary springs here. Pork, scallop, and a bit of sauce, of course.
There we go.
Here.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Don't mind me.
Enjoy.
Mmm.
Not bad. Great.
It's really great because the confit pork is gentle, which is not something you find in American barbecue. Normally we have burnt ends, so the pork is smoked and then caramelized and then sauced and buttered and smoked more. It's so different. You can actually taste the flavor of the pork, which is really different. Also, the fact that it's confit makes it more soft and tender to match the scallop. And I think that that's probably the biggest reason why the pairing works so well. Thank you so much for showing me how to make this dish. I learned a number of things. I can't wait to experiment and appreciate you sharing this with everybody. I think this is something new and exciting, so appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So
Ryan.
good.
Thank you for the invitation.